Hey guys, Jeff, She Said Flipper here. Now, I was just listening to one of the other YouTube channels I really like, Lindy Glenn. If you don't know her and you know me, I don't know how that happened, but go watch her stuff, it's good. She's doing December Death Pile Challenge. The idea is to do what you need to do to get control of your death pile. If you don't know what death pile is, that is when you have purchased inventory to resell. It's not listed, it's just sitting there. I'll spend a day or two, that's not death pile. But if you had stuff sitting, especially for a significant amount of time, that's a death pile. If you've been reselling for any amount of time, I bet you have one. Maybe you have two, maybe you have three, maybe you have four, maybe you have... How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe you have 5. Yeah, 2 storage units, basement. Well, I guess you could call it basement both halves. That could be each a separate death pile. Got my car. 6. I got the pile stuff all around my desk. There's a lot of inventory sitting up there. So, I'm going to put a link down below to her channel with the video talking about this. Now I'll invite you to enter her Death Pile Challenge giveaway as well. If I can figure out how to do it, I'll put a video of her, I'll put a link right here as well. But with my ancient computer that can barely do any video editing, it's probably going to be down below. So, what is the point of this? Why do you want to get rid of your death pile? Well, not only is your death pile inventory that's not listed, if it's not listed, guess what? It can't sell, right? How are you going to sell it if no one knows it exists? You paid money for that. So that's stacks of dollar bills that you paid, that you've already put out. And they're just sitting there. There's right there. That's just a stack of money. I paid money for everything over there. Not only that, if you're a reseller, you probably bought those because you can sell them at a profit. So, you're leaving profit on the table. Your unlisted inventory, such as all this lovely stuff here, is potential money and income. That if you would have had that listed, you might have made money on it. So get the listing. Now tell me down below, how much unlisted inventory do you currently have? What percentage of your total inventory do you think is listed and unlisted? I'm going to be honest with you. I think I have more unlisted inventory than I have listed. Like quite a bit. Yeah, I know. Life gets in the way, right? I mean, I work a full-time job. I have a 2.5-year-old kid. My job has been absolutely, let's just say, bonkers crazy for the last, what, almost 9 months now? Ever since this pandemic stuff hit, we've been just working like mad. We have unlimited overtime available. We are hitting levels of work. Like, this is like where we normally would be this time of year. This is the all-time record before this all started. We're above the screen. Not an excuse. Oh, yeah, it is. I'm making excuses for myself. Look at that. But hey, I got a solution. Death Pile December. We're going to get at it. At minimum, maybe my goal is not to completely eliminate this death pile. That's unrealistic. Month of December, I have downstairs, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelving units down in my basement. Stacks of stuff on the floor. I got stacks of stuff up my office upstairs. My car is so full that I'm pretty much the only person that can go in my car. There's no room there. I've got one storage unit that's absolutely bursting at the seams. I got another storage unit that, honestly, I could probably get rid of. A little bit of focus, I can probably get rid of that one. Save $150 a month if I do it. That's my minimum goal. Get down to one storage unit. if I can get all this stuff listed, we can start 2021 really good. Good solid inventory. Clear out the work and clear out all the back work. Nothing else. Maybe I can get so it's not in heaps on the floor, and it's at least organized to a point where I can actually function down here. A lot of times I'm doing these videos, you see me looking around like this, especially if I'm moving. It's because I'm stepping over stuff. Even though I just expanded to this new eBay cave down here, I'm already running out of room. Now I know there's some organizational things down here I can do. Now I'm going to work on those for December as part of this. So not only is this going to be about listing, it's going to be about organization. Looking around here, I can already see about 4, 5, 6 things I can do that would probably take me 30 minutes max. That would definitely help me out. I am really good at sourcing, especially big, massive lots. I know you guys have seen some of my big lots before. I'll stick one up there if I remember. I'm really good at shipping really fast. That's kind of one of my things, is I try to get things out in 4 hours or less minimum. Listing, I go in spurts. What can you do? Now if I was a full-timer, this would be utterly unacceptable. I'm a part-timer, and this is ridiculous. No unlisted inventory I have. So, not only am I going to be working on this, I'm going to be putting together a video. Now, technically she said she wants Instagram for the entries. Like I said, see her video for details on entries for that. She's doing a giveaway with it. I am not doing the giveaway. That's her. I'm not affiliated with it. Nothing like that. I'm just going to be entering it, and I'm passing information on to you and discussing it with you. So, yeah. Basically, see her video for the details of that. It's going to be interesting and a challenge. I just filmed the first part of the video going over the death pile I have here. Tomorrow, I'm going to go and I'm going to do another part of this video showing my car and my storage units. I might show my desk area, but that is just such a cluster, you know, like it's such a cluster Chicago bear. There, let's call it that. That I don't know if I want to show it. So, Death Pile December. Let's work on this. Let's not have stacks and stacks of inventory. Let's all get organized. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.